So hello guys, my name is Rahul Jain and welcome back to the channel. So today we are so our today's topic is array list. So first of all, what is array list? Array list is like a dynamic array. Unlike a normal array, its size can shrink or grow automatically. So how the things are work and how array list is different from the normal array. So if I take an example, like we have an array initiated with uh, int int nums int nums is equal to, because it is an array, we have to put square bracket here. Int nums is equal to new int, and we have to give the size of the array we want to make. So if I give a size here 8, so 8, so what it does, what it will do, what it will do, it will create an array. Here in this example I already filled data in our array. So what it does, it create an array of 8 element that because it has zero index array, so it will start from zero index. Okay, so but in total we have 8 elements in our array. But if I say I want to add one more element in this only this array, then we cannot able to do this thing. What I'm saying, like I want to add one more element in this nums array, we have not any space here to put our element. So to overcome this problem, we have introduced with ArrayList. So what ArrayList do? It is a collection. It is a topic of in collections in Java. So ArrayList give you ability to do this. Uh, in ArrayList, we also have index. In ArrayList, we can do insert, read, update, delete. But also, what we can do it dynamically. We don't have to uh, give the size of the array during the initialization time. So if I talk about the syntax of array list, so I'm coming in the online terminal. So this is how so this is how array list, like we take integer here, and let's take, we are creating fruits, array for fruits, array list bracket and parenthesis. So this is how the syntax of array list look like. So there is an array list with, this is a data type. You have to provide a data type in wrapper class. This is this is an integer in starting with big I, a capital I, and where we have to provide the name of the array list. Then then use new keyword to provide the to provide the memory to this fruits and our last ending phase. So, and also one thing, we have to import. We also have to import java.util dot. This is a this array list comes in util package. ArrayList dot util dot array list. Okay, so if I run this, nothing happened because we do nothing right now. What we done, we just create our fruits array list, but empty. We don't have any element yet in this array list. So what when we have to insert an element in this array list? So we have a function for this. We have to write a name of write the name of the array list, then dot add, like we want to add an element in the array list. Like what we want to add, we want to add fruit name, a fruit name in this in this array list. So with this, we have just put apple in the array list. Like now, okay, we have put apple in the fruits array list. But if I copy this one more time and paste it and change BANA banana. So what happened here? In array list we have added two elements, but now I want to know like the fruits are in the array list or not. So for that we have fruits fruits dot get fruits dot get to read our array list. But in normal array we have indexes, but in array list we also have indexes like this is same as like array. We also have indexes in array list. So if we want to read apple, so in which index it have to be present. So it's in zeroth index. So if I run this, it gives an error, because we have given here integer, but we have to give here string, because we added element as a string. That's why we have to put a string variable here, string data here. So we get the element, but to print this we have to shout it here, shout system dot out dot print ln and this thing and this. So now look what happened. Apple, we have an output apple. If we talk about index 1, what data is in index 1? We have banana. But if I talk about what data is in index 2, but for now we don't have any data in index 2. Not our data, we don't have a index. We don't have a index in the array list of 2. We have only 0 and 1. How many element we insert in the array list, it will created dynamically. So what we have error index 2 out of bound for length 2, because we don't have an index of 2. Then how it will give you an output? So for that we'll just go here 0. Okay, so now what we have done, we insert an element, we read that element. Now I want to update an element in this fruit array list. So for that we I will write fruits dot set fruit dot set to update an element. We have a set function. We have to pass two parameter here. One is index, which index we have to update, and comma what we have to put what we have to change, what we have to put in the replacement of that index. So like I want to write I want to add orange. So now I will print v. Okay, control v. So like in which index we update in first index. If I run this, it will give you orange. This is coming an apple is coming from this line, and orange is coming from this line. what what happens here? This fruits dot set update the first index with orange. Like anything is present in one index will replace with this data. So okay, we have set or update element in the array list. Now what about delete? Delete? To delete an element, we have a function fruits dot remove. Okay, we have a function fruits dot remove. Now fruits dot remove, we have to pass an parameter, pass one parameter here. We have to pass which index we have to remove from the array list. So for now, I want to remove the 0th index from the array list. So if I put here 0, okay, if I put here 0, what it will do, it will just remove the remove the 0th index. Like, but uh, something is going here. It go here, going here. Like if I shout and get element index 0, but here we remove index 0. Then how it will get 0 here? Then how will we get with 0th index? So if I run this program, what it will return? It will return error. Wait for a second. FRUITS fruits. Okay. So what it will return if I comment these both lines? It will return 0. It will return orange. Why orange? In array list, because array list is shrinking or growing automatically, the element will shift. Like element are shifting. If I remove if I remove a element that is present in 0th index, and I remove that 0th index element data, so the first index data will shift it to the 0 index data. And if there is a data is present in second index, then it will shift to the 0th index. This is how array list automatically shrink or grow and uh, manage indexes automatically. So now if I um, add again fruit and uh, add apple and banana again in the fruits array list, now we will see how we can get the length of the array list. Like we have to know that how many elements in our array list present. So to know length of the array list, we have a function uh, fruits dot size. We don't have to pass any parameter here, but we have to but this will return the length of the array list, but we have to print this also. So for that, we will do system dot out dot print ln and paste it here. So now if I comment this out and run, what it will return? It will return size of 3. How size of 3? Firstly, we added if I dry run this program, we added apple, then we added banana. After that, we set one index we set or update one index with orange. Like this banana will replace with orange. After that, we remove 0th index we remove apple. So in our array list, orange is present now only. In which index? In 0th index. After that, we added apple and banana again. So like right now we have orange, then apple, then banana. This is how we have 0, 1, 2. In total, 3 elements present in the fruits array list. Okay, so now, okay, we just get the size. We get the size of the array list. But if we want to, if we want to print all the elements from from the array list, we have to do looping. We have to do looping. But which loop we will use for each loop for this thing for each loop. So how for each loop work with array list? We have to just simply uh, use for, because this is we have a string. We will use string data s dot s colon and fruits fruits. Then system dot out dot print ln and s. So what is going here? We have a loop. We have a loop that has an that has a variable which data type is string. So and colon, after that we have written array list variable fruits. The every time the fruits, each element will go in this s has element one by one of the array list. So when we have a uh, each element in s, we print the s variable, and every time in first iteration s will in s will in s has value orange, because we have orange firstly. After in second iteration s will become apple. After second iteration s will become banana, and we print every time rs. So this is how we print all the elements of the array list. So uh, and also ArrayList contains memory and heap memory, and this is how we have completed all the functions of the array list and topic of the array list. We have add an element, read an element, update an element, and delete element from the array list. And also we have done looping, so how we will loop and get out element from the array list. So if you like this video, then you can share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.